Hello and welcome to this video on data mining and warehousing. Today, we will explore the world of data management and how data warehousing and data mining are closely related. Have you ever wondered how large organizations like Amazon, Google, or Netflix manage their vast amounts of data? The answer lies in data mining and warehousing. Data warehousing is the process of collecting, organizing, and storing large amounts of data from different sources. A data warehouse provides a centralized repository for data, making it easier to access, analyze, and extract insights. This is where data mining comes into play. Data mining involves extracting insights, patterns, and knowledge from large datasets. Data mining techniques include clustering, classification, and association rule learning. These techniques help organizations to uncover hidden patterns, relationships, and insights from their data. The benefits of data mining and warehousing are numerous. Firstly, it enables organizations to make informed decisions based on data-driven insights. Secondly, it can help improve business performance by identifying new opportunities, optimizing operations, and reducing costs. Thirdly, it can be used for fraud detection, risk assessment, and regulatory compliance. Lastly, it provides a competitive advantage by uncovering insights that competitors may not be aware of. Data warehousing and data mining are closely related concepts. Data warehousing provides the infrastructure that makes data mining possible, while data mining provides the techniques for extracting insights from the data stored in a data warehouse. Data warehousing provides a centralized repository for data, making it easier to access and analyze. This makes it easier for data scientists and analysts to perform data mining tasks. Data warehousing also provides a platform for data integration, transformation, and cleaning, which helps ensure that data mining data is accurate, consistent, and up-to-date. In conclusion, data mining and warehousing are two essential concepts in data management. Organizations using data warehousing and mining can gain valuable insights into their operations, customers, and market trends. This enables them to make informed decisions based on data-driven insights, leading to improved business performance and competitive advantage. Thank you for watching this video on data mining and warehousing. We hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. See you in the next video.